Divide a decimal by a whole number and divide by 10, 100, 1000 and their multiples. Pause the video and give examples 18 and 19 a go. So in example 18, we're dividing by a whole number, so we can use the bus stop method like at the start of the year. And again, it's because we are dividing by a whole number, not a decimal. That's why we can just do this simple method. So 3 goes into 4 once. You carry 1 over. 3 goes into 17 5 times. 3 5s are 15 with 2 left over. And then 3 goes into 21 7 times. So your answer is 1.57. Example 19, evaluate 2.56 divided by 80. So to divide by 80, I'm going to divide by 8 and then divide my answer by 10. Dividing by 80 is the same as dividing by 8 and then 10. So we'd have 2.56 divided by 8. 8 doesn't go into 2, so carry the 2 over. 8 goes into 25 3 times. 8 3s are 24, and 1 left over, and then 8 2s are 16. So I've divided 2.56 by 8, and now I've got to divide it by 10 to divide by 80. And if you divide by 10, you're moving the number 1 space to the right, or you're moving the decimal point 1 space to the left. 0.032.